What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source, and today we're inside of our hard drive. And as you can see, our D drive is, well, it's almost full. How can we go in and find out where our space is gone? So there's two programs that I use. These are the older versions, so what's out there now is newer than this one, but these are the ones that I've been using for years. So we have the Space Sniffer, then we have the Tree Size Free. So we're going to check out this one first. Okay, so the Tree Size Free. So we're going to come over here. We're going to choose to scan, and then it's giving us all of our drives. We want to scan our D drive because that's the one that is nearby all the space is gone. And as you can see, it's showing that our Microsoft and our utilities and our drivers and our backup, these are the ones that are full. But the Microsoft one is the one that I'm mainly concerned about. So what we do is that we click down here on the arrow, and then it expands it out, and then we can see that my 2016 servers is taking up 25 gigs, and then our Exchange is taking up 11 gigs. With the Exchange, I don't use, I don't need it, so that can actually be removed. And so if we come down here to our 2016 server, we see we got our 2016 retail, and then we have our updates, which isn't that bad, but our files, this right here. So we got the ISO file, which is downloaded from Microsoft, and we have the retail ISO. And so this one right here is the one that's actually got my number keyed into the ISO file, which is the reason why it's got 103 on it. That goes to my 103 server. And so, but these right here we want to keep. We want to keep all three of these. So we're just going to leave these alone. So we come over here to the retail and see the retail, what this one is that this right here is this file right here. And that's just me opening up this file and then going down and editing the file and putting in the product key for the 2016 server for the 103. Okay, so now we come over here to the Exchange. So the Exchange server is, as I mentioned, I don't use. So all this stuff is just sitting here wasting space. So this is the way it looks inside of our TreeView Free. It's a great program. You can go in yonder, you can dive in deep and find out exactly how big every file is and what's taking up most of your drive. So now let's go ahead and close out of this, and then we're going to come over and we're going to take a look at the Space Sniffer. So go ahead and load it. And then whenever it opens up, it gives you all of your drives like this. So we're going to choose our software D. And this one right here, it's going to give you this window right here. It's going to tell you that it can't access the recycle bin and certain other areas. But this one right here just shows you a graph. You run your cursor over it, and then it gives you some information when it was created ago. So this one was created 2 years ago, 2 years, 1 month. And access 53 seconds ago, access 55 seconds ago, access 1 minute, 32 seconds ago. So this one right here this file was actually put on the computer 1 year and 1 month ago. This file right here was downloaded from Microsoft 2 years and 1 month ago. This right here is the 180-day trial. This one right here is the actual retail copy. And then this one right here is the retail copy for my Dell 103. Okay, so what you do here is that you go in and go, okay, what do I need? What do I don't need? So we can right click on it, then we can come down here, we can choose to delete it because I do not need that. But what I want to do is I want to actually delete out the entire folder. So we're going to come over here, and this is going to go inside of our Microsoft folder, and then this right here is the Exchange folder. So we can right click, go to properties, and we got 11.4 gigabytes of space taken up with all of this stuff that I do not use or need. So I'm just going to right click on it, come down here and choose delete and choose yes. And then as you can tell, it just got rid of that section. So it opened up that section for us. So we come over here, and then we bring this open here. We come over here to our up, and then go to this PC. Now, as you can see, our D drive, we now have 18.8 gigabytes free. Now, if you want to free up some more space on all of your drives, just go inside and choose your recycle bin. If you don't see your recycle bin, then you need to go over to your control panel. So just type in control, and then come down here to panel. Come over here and choose large icons, File Explorer options, choose View, and then come over here and show hidden files and folders. Once you do this, then you'll be able to see everything. This PC. Okay, so now back over here to this PC, we're going to come inside of our D drive. You can do this to any one of the drives. And what this is going to do, it's going to show you everything that's inside of your system that's inside of the recycle bin. And so we come over here, and then I've already cleaned mine up a lot over the last couple of weeks. So what you do is that you just come in here, and this is the first time you've ever been in here, you will see a lot of stuff. I've come in here before and I've cleaned out about 20 or 30 gigs before, and that was stuff that was on the system for years. What you do is that you just select it, and then you choose delete and choose yes, and then it deletes out all of that. And so that right there will also clear up some more space for you. So that is how you find out how or where all of your space is gone. So you have these two programs. Let's come back over here, open this back up. So you got these two programs, Space Sniffer and Tree Size Free. I will have both of these linked in the description below so y'all can check it out for yourself. And just be careful what you do, because a lot of this stuff, if it's too big, too massive, it will not put it in the recycle bin. As you saw, when we went inside the recycle bin, it did not show the exchange because the exchange server information was over 11 gigs. So it did not show that sitting anywhere inside of the recycle bin. That's because it was too big to go in there. When you start deleting out massive stuff, just keep in mind, you may lose it. All right, I am Wayne Barron. This is CFF Coding Source, working inside of your Windows operating system. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.